what things you need to pack while you go overseas for education. So while I uploaded that, I got a lot of questions asking me of what is the procedure basically to study overseas. So that's how I thought of making this video. And in this video I'm going to talk about those essential things that you need, the procedure that you go through in order to study overseas. I think I repeated my sentence, but never mind. Yeah. So let's start with the video. The first thing that you need while you travel overseas is your passport. So if you have your old passport, renew it or just have a passport. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, so now, secondly, the thing is that you need to make sure of the college or the school or the university that you're planning to go to. So see to it that you pre-handedly make a lot of good researches on it. You can even I came through a consultancy, so you could also go to consultancies and talk to them about the universities or the community colleges or whatever they have tie-ups with, so that they could brief you about it, and also see to it that you get your homework done quite well about the thing that you're planning to opt for. And also the courses, you need to see if that course is available in that college or the university. And it shouldn't be that you spend a lot of efforts and your money and everything, and sacrifices too. Yeah, you leave your family and you come here where you come here. So, and sacrifices too to come this side, and then you realize that the course that you have invested in isn't carrying that much weightage for you to get an employment here. It shouldn't be that, right? I mean, it should be worth it. So see to it that the course or any field that you're planning to opt for has to carry that much weightage while you travel overseas. So be very careful with the choices that you make. Secondly, thirdly, the thing is that you could also now these what do you call it? Why am I so stuck with words? These consultancies also give you a one-on-one counseling, so that could also help you out with the depth of the subject that you want to go through, or even the depth that you want to know more about the college. So that's how it's going to help you. Now, third thing is that you have to compulsorily give a test, an English test. Okay, it's a very competitive test. It's on English basis. You have reading, writing, listening and speaking. That's what I gave. That's for IELTS, the British Council test. And you also have other things like GMAT, GRE, LSAT, SAT, TOEFL, and such exams that you could, such tests that you could give. When I gave, it was, the registration fee was 11,800. And they also provide a book with you for IELTS. They also provide a book and a CD with you. So I don't think so. Yes, so when you give your IELTS, it shouldn't be a problem because of the textbook and the CD that they already provide. So I don't think so you need extra coaching for it. So if you can save money on that, I recommend you to save money on it. Yeah. So second, the third thing that you need to consider is your medicals. So if you go through a consultancy, they themselves would suggest you a few they themselves would suggest you about the appointments you need to take for medicals. So you do take money with you while you go for your medicals, because they charge you some, I don't remember the exact amount, but yes, they do charge you. They inform you pre-handedly, and take some extra money along with you too, because if you have some scars, or maybe if you have a tattoo on your body or anything, they do some allergy tests, which I did not like because they charge you extra on it. So you be safe on your side, okay, with that. Then the fourth thing is your sanction of your loan. Basically, if you are not planning to take loan, then it's okay. But if you're planning to take loan, because I took loan on my studies, then I basically kept something on mortgage, and that's how I took my loan for education. So you'll be well versed with your percentage of interest okay, and the documents that you need, okay, and I think you also need the bank itself tells you to meet an advocate, and you have some procedures with the sanction of loan, and your bank will assist you with it. So just be and yeah, a few banks are allowed to few banks do give education loan, but few banks don't. So you even need to know the banks that give you and the banks that don't give you. So that's with your sanction of loan. Then the fifth thing is you need to apply for your visa. So once when your loan is sanctioned, and once when you pay your fees, and after your letter of acceptance you pay your fees, and you get your GIC amount and everything, after that you need to apply for your visa. So that's the last step that you do, okay, that's your visa. So that's the last thing that you do in your whole in this whole procedure. But if in case, God forbid, your visa gets declined, then you can also reapply for it, even check the status of why it was declined pre-handedly, and then the second time I think most probably your visa should be should not get declined. Yeah, so that's all for this video, and yeah, if you like it, then please do like it and keep sharing for the ones who are having certain plans of traveling overseas, maybe on purpose of studies. So then if this benefits you, please appreciate me on your comments, and yeah, that's it for now. Thank you, bye.